Cooking with Gigi. Welcome to another episode of Cooking with Gigi. Today we're making cookies. Did you know this is my favorite? It's macadamia nut. White chocolate macadamia nut cookies. So macadamia nuts is just nuts. If you never heard of it, it tastes so delicious. So here's the ingredients: macadamia nuts, egg, 2 eggs, and then we need vanilla and almond flavor. This is chocolate, white chocolate, and it chips too. There's like chocolate chip, but it's white chocolate. And now we need this to make the cookies. Not burnt. And now we need baking soda and baking powder. This is how it looks like. Sugar, right? That's right. And then brown sugar, golden brown sugar. So, guys, here's the butter, and you have to let it sit for half an hour so it can be soft for your cookies. Let's get cooking with Gigi, bud. Okay, guys, here's the things we need. So we need butter. Oops. Okay, guys, now we need a cup to scoop up the sugar. So let's do it right now. All the sugar out. That's okay. Oh, it's heavy. Okay, Okay, so now brown sugar. Get in here. You see me, guys? I hope you would like and subscribe. Okay, now I'm going to squish it. And here's the fun part. I'm showing you right now. Squish it, squish it. I'm gonna test out my new spoon. Oops, that's okay, miss. When we get cooking, it's dirty. Oops, Oops. Something in there. Oh, I can't see the white sugar. Oops. Clumsy me. You know, clumsy me? You're tired. Do you like how I'm doing it? Because you can see everything I'm doing. Even though I love my spoon, I'm taking the easy way to do make it much faster. We took the easy way. That's why it was so fast. Okay, guys, now we're gonna put the egg in and then stir it and put another egg in and then stir it. So, now crack another egg. Oh! 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 Okay, so. Looks so good, everyone. And glibberly. Next step is to put vanilla and almond flavor. So first we're gonna talk about this. So this is 1 teaspoon. Okay, so now we have to do it over the bowl so it don't peel. Oh, hey, that one. Okay, so now here's almond flavor and we need half a teaspoon. And same thing over the bowl. That was wait, nothing filled up that much. Okay, now we have to stir it, right? Oh, she said yes. Oh, it's hard. Okay, guys, we need half a teaspoon of salt, and the reason we're doing it over the bowl is because we don't want it to peel. So we need to open it. So first baking soda, my mom said. Carefully out of the bowl. Now this. Everyone, what is this? Baking powder. Okay guys, let's do the smallest one. Okay, now we have to stir it, right? That's correct. Let's see. That's okay. I'm here the next step, and I bet you cannot guess what it is. Let me hear it. No answers? Well, I will tell you. It's flour. Okay, so. Oh, that's a lot to mix. But I'm scared of that. And we mix 1 cup of flour. Now let's put another cup of flour. Oh, there's too many stuff here. So I'm gonna put in the bowl, everyone. It's heavy, it's heavy. That's a bit plump. So now let's do it. Okay, guys, we put the flour, mix it. We put the flour, mix it, and let me hear it. Put the flour, mix it. That was right. And correct. So let's put the last one. Heavy, heavy, heavy. Oh, okay, let's mix everyone. These are the pot chocolates. I just want to eat them. I just want to eat it too badly. We added the white chocolate. Now we're gonna add the macadamia nut. Did you know my mom shot the macadamia nut? And my mom shot it so we don't, because kids don't touch my family. Guys, we're gonna try my new spoon to get more. Bring the mistake. did it first way and we don't put in the macadamia and the white chocolate. So now we're ready to bake it. I'm so excited to eat it. Okay guys, we need a parchment paper to make the cookies bake softly. So here's the plan and I'll show it to you. Get, oops, very careful. Get off that. Okay, good. This is how much we need. Guys, look what I have to do for my better points at the look. And now I'm gonna squeeze this one. And I'm gonna show you how to do this. And do it together kind of. And then squeeze it. And then put it together. And it's crunchy. That is easy. And what should I name that name? Oh, special finishing touch is special finishing touch. Got it. That's good. Okay, now you're ready to bake it. My mom is gonna bake it now. Bye. Guys, my mom just got it out of the oven and then we let it cool down. And now I'm ready to try it. And this is what it looks like first. That's so good. Thanks for cooking with Gigi. See you next time on Cooking with Gigi. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye.